Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube faster in beginner's method. So let's start. The first step to solve the cube faster is by inserting the corners really fast. And the way you can do that is by, like when you get the corner sticker like here, white sticker shows up on either side, it doesn't matter. Just do this simple method. Just move the corner away from the place you're inserting. If the place you're inserting is right, then move the corner to the left, like that. Then just move the side up, the place where you're inserting the corner, then move that up. Then you put the corner to the white edge. You see this white edge, you just move it to that spot, like that. Then you put it back down. And that's how you do it for the left and right side. The second tip to solving the corners is like this. When the corner white sticker is up, you do this. You move the side where the corner is, like this. It's on the right side, so you move the right. If it's on the left, you move the left. Like that, then you move the right side up. Then you move the corner away from this spot. Not like here, where it gets stuck. Like move it away from here, so it doesn't get stuck in this. Then you move the corner back to its position by moving top layer. Then you insert it like normal. The third tip is when the corner is stuck, like in the wrong position, you can simply just take it out like this and move it in the top layer in any direction. Then you can simply put it in the correct spot and insert it. The fourth tip for inserting corners is when the corner is in the correct position where it's supposed to be and it's still kind of stuck, you simply just move the corner up by moving the side it's on, which could be left or right side, and you move that side up. Then you move the corner away from this whole side it's on, like that, and it's away from it. Then you move the side down, then simply insert it back in. The fifth tip is like making the yellow cross efficiently. And there's only one case where it's very hard to do it, which is when you get this case, you should simply move these two all the way here. Then you do this move, the front like this, then move the right side up, then move the top layer to the left, then right side down, then top layer to the right, then you move this back, and you solve the whole cross. The last tip is to watch any videos, like my 3x3 how to solve beginner's method tutorial, which I posted, and it's named how to solve 3x3 explained clearly. You can watch that if you're confused for any steps. And after you get like under 1 minute solves for beginner's method, you can continue on using a more advanced method called CFOP or RU, which you can use to get faster at 3x3.